Welcome everyone. Let's look at this question here on how to get the value of x. And now here is an indical equation, and from the look of things here, the 12 here and 3, they are not the same basis. The other thing is that we can't convert 12 to come to the same base as 3. And from here, the only option left is to introduce logarithm to both sides. And I'm going to introduce logarithm to base 10 on both sides of the equal, so as I shall have log 12 to the power x minus 1 by x equals to log 3. From the rules of logs, we usually know that if you have log a power b, this is the same as b log a, and applying that one here, I shall have x minus 1 over x log 12 equals log 3. Let's break this one down further. And to break this one down further, I shall multiply both sides by x. And if I multiply by x on both sides, I shall have x and x cancels out, and what I have is x minus 1 log 12 equals x log 3. On my left hand side of the equal, let's open the brackets by multiplying everything inside the bracket by log 12. I shall have x log 12 minus log 12 equals x log 3. I want to collect like terms. In other words, I have to get x log 3 on this side of the equal, so that I have x on one side of the equal, and then the log 12 shall go onto the other side of the equal. So I shall have x log 12 minus x log 3 equals log 12. Remember, when a negative crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. When a positive crosses equal sign, it becomes a negative. From here, I can put x outside, so that I shall have here log 12 minus log 3, and everything multiplied by x. I'm putting x outside because x is common here and here. And this one equals log 12, of course. From roots of logs also, if you have log a minus log b, this is the same as log a over b. So applying this one here, I shall have x log 12 over 3 equals log 12. Alright, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I shall have x log 4 equals log 12. Since we have tables of logarithms to base 10, and also on your calculator the logarithm is in terms of base 10, these ones you can get either from your calculator or logarithm tables. So from here, I shall divide both sides by log 4, so that x equals to log 12 is approximately equal to 1.0791, and log 4 is approximately equal to 0.6021. And if you divide this here, you shall have x equals to 1.7925. you can go ahead and prove for the value of x in the original equation by raising 12 to the power 1.7925 subtract 1 over 1.7925. You will find that the value is approximately a value which is very close to 3. All right. How about if you are given to find the value of x in this expression here, 9 power 2x plus 3 equals 27x plus 1. Now, in this case here, 9 and 27, the bases are not the same, obvious. But in this case, we can decide to reduce them to the same basis. That is, 9 is the same as 3 power 2. So this one is raised power 2x plus 3 equals to 27 is the same as 3 power 3 raised power x plus 1. From rules of indices, if you have a power m, everything raised power n, this is the same as a power m times n, which is a power m n. So applying this rule here, it means this one shall be multiplied by that and that one multiplied by that, so as to have 3 power, so remember this is 2 into 2x plus 3 equals to 3 power 3 into x plus 1, right? Now, since the bases are the same, you can drop the bases, right? So as to equate the powers. That is, here you shall have, after dropping the bases, you shall have 2 into 2x plus 3 equals 3 into x plus 1. And if you open the brackets, you shall have 4x plus 6 equals 3x plus 3. Collecting like terms, it means 3x comes to the left and side of the equal, and then 6 crosses, it goes to the right hand side of the equal, and we shall have 4x minus 3x equals to 3 minus 6, so that x equals to negative 3. Very nice. Now, these are some of basic operations and laws of indices. Now, on the same note, let's look at this problem here. Multiply 3x plus 2y by x minus y. So multiplying the 2's, that is 3x plus 2y multiplied by x minus y. So first of all, multiply by x, and that gives you 3x squared plus 2xy. Again, multiply by negative y, you have negative 3xy minus 2y squared. Adding gives, so if you add everything, you shall have here 3x squared. This is 2xy plus negative 3xy, that is negative xy, and then minus 2y squared. So this is the result. Alternatively, or as we all know, this is the same as 3x plus 2y multiplied by x minus y. You multiply everything inside the first bracket by everything inside the second bracket, and you shall have 3x squared minus 3xy plus 2xy minus 2y squared. This is the same as 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared. Now, how do you know that the answer is right? You do this by proving or by dividing. So you can prove by dividing 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared by x minus y. Now, this one can be done by the long division method, where 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared is a dividend, and then x minus y is the divisor. Right. Now, to divide this, you take the first term here, divide by the first term here, and if you divide, it gives you 3x. All right. Take that 3x multiplied by x, or multiplied by the divisor. Take 3x multiplied by divisor, you get 3x squared minus 3xy. Subtract, here you get 0, and this subtract this, you get 2xy. All right. It means if you subtract by negative 3xy is the same as adding. Alright, so this is the same as negative xy plus 3xy, which gives you 2xy. Again, take this 2xy divided by x here, or take this 2xy divided by the first term of the divisor. You get a value of 2y. 2y times the divisor here. So 2y times this is 2xy minus 2y squared. Subtract, here you get a 0. And here it means you shall have to drop negative 2y squared. And then this subtract this is the same as negative 2y squared plus 2y squared. You still get a 0. So the remainder is 0. So it means that 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared divided by x minus y is equals to 3x plus 2y. Correct. So that is our answer. Now, what I have just done here is called polynomial division. A polynomial is an expression of the form a plus bx plus cx squared plus dx power 3 and so on. Right? Now, if you have an expression of this kind, the expression we have had here, 3x squared minus xy minus 2y squared, this is a polynomial of the second degree. If you have an expression of this kind, plus 2x minus 6, this is a polynomial of the third degree, because the power of x here is the maximum power of x is 3. You can also have a polynomial of the fourth degree and so forth. Now, division, or what is called polynomial division, is very possible, or in other words, you can divide polynomials directly the way you divide the way you perform algebra division, or division in algebra, and so forth. What I mean is, polynomial division can be done in the same way as dividing or division or in algebra. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to carry out polynomial division. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss on that next video. Otherwise, until next time, may God bless you and Bye bye.